what is up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Lacie for those of you who are new here. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on the look that I am wearing right now. This is super exciting for me because I was so happy to just like dig into all of these palettes. Like I used some colors from the Retro Love palette. I used some colors from the, I was literally like flicking you off, I think, from the Sahara palette. I used some shadows from the Athena palette. I used some shadows from the Aphrodite palette or Aphrodite palette. And I also dug into the highlighter palette that I got. So I had so much fun filming this video, you guys, like you don't even know. And this look, if I do say so myself, turned out really, really well. I recreated a look that Kathleen Lights did on her channel. She is absolutely amazing. You should definitely go check her out, even though you probably already have. She did a look very similar to this on her channel using her Dream Street palette with ColourPop, and I sadly do not have that palette, but between all 5 of these eyeshadow palettes, I had some of the colors that she used, and I made it work. So this is the look that I came up with today. Like I said, I had so much fun filming this video. This is also a video that I'm filming for Hush, just to do like a specific look using these palettes. So that's what I did. I think that these palettes are so freaking amazing. I mean, like alone, just like the packaging gets like an A+ for me. Like just look at all of these. These look so high-end and luxurious, and the packaging is like such a great cardboard packaging. Like it just feels really high-end and luxe. And all of them come with like a decent sized mirror. I just think that these palettes are definitely worth your buck. So I am giving my full review on these. These palettes are amazing. I did a haul, so I kind of talked in depth about a couple of them, like just swatching and stuff in that video. So I'll have that linked down below if you guys want to go check that out. I guess without further ado, we will go ahead. There's a hair. We will go ahead and jump into the video. Okay, let's go. So first, I guess I'll just go ahead and pull my hair back, get that out of my face. Okay, now that you're all up in my grill, I guess we will go ahead and get started. If you see my my skin, we're having some issues right now, so I don't know if I'm getting eczema or psoriasis or what it is, but today is the first time I've put makeup on. That brow hair is intense. Today is the first day I've put makeup on in like a week, so it didn't burn today, which is a good sign. So yeah, soon I will have another makeup tutorial up on my channel doing like everything soon. Okay, so I kind of already know what I want to do, which is really weird because like I always get on here and I like never know what I want to do. But I was watching one of Kathleen Light's videos on her palette, her Dream Street palette with ColourPop, and that like dark blue, like silver smoky eye that she had, literally it just spoke to me on so many levels. So I really, really want to recreate that. I mean, it was gorgeous. She looked beautiful. I mean, she always looks beautiful, but that like makeup that she had on, like her eyeshadow and stuff, was amazing. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. It's probably not going to be exactly the same because I'm using 5 different palettes from a different brand. I'm not using her Dream Street palette, but just that in general, just like it spoke to me. Okay, so first I think I'm going to go into the Athena palette, and I think I'm going to use the shade Purity right here. It's just like, it kind of reminds me of Peach Smoothie a lot, and I'm just going to tap off the excess of that and just start to, I'm just going to apply this to the crease as my transition, just back and forth and windshield wiper motions from inner corner to outer corner. We know the drill up in here. Okay, so now jumping into the Aphrodite palette, I'm going to pick up this shade called Seduction on my Morphe M433 brush, and I'm going to kind of like apply this to my outer corner, but I'm also going to drag it into my crease as well. And it's okay if we have some fallout because we have powdered our face, so that will not be a problem. I'm just going to kind of blend this on the outer corners. And then, like, once there's not a lot of product left, I'll blend it into the crease. That is pigment. Then I'm gonna go back with that same Mally brush. I'm gonna pick up a little bit of that first color we used, you know, just to blend it a little bit more. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with Retro Love and now I'm gonna go in with Free Love in the Retro Love palette, and I'm basically gonna do the same thing. I'm going to pack it on the outer corner and then drag it into the crease. Holy moly, these things are pigmented. And it's okay if you get a lot on your lid, like this looks crazy, but we are going to be cleaning it up with concealer anyways, so it is okie dokie. I don't think that was the right word. It's a-okay. I really would have loved to do my eyes first, because these shadows do have fallout. Since I was, you know, just filming the eye look, I figured, gotta do your foundation first, right? So now all I'm gonna do is I am going to clean up the lid by creating my cut crease. I'm only gonna do a half cut crease. Now what I'm gonna do, now that I have the concealer down on my lids, is I'm going to pick up, so I'm gonna pick up this shade. It's called Mirage, and it's in the Sahara palette. I'm gonna pick that up, and I'm just gonna apply that to basically the whole part that I have concealer on, but you'll see what I'm gonna do after that. I switched it up. I'm gonna use this one. It's called Starbeam from the Amazonian palette. And I'm gonna try to get it as close to the edge to where I got that concealer. So I just put that Morning Dust shade. Morning Mist. My camera quit recording, so I'm just like doing this just to make sure. I'm taking Morning Mist right here, and I just put it right here. Make sure that these two blended well. So now I'm gonna take a little bit more of that Free Love shade, the dark blue. I'm just gonna pack that on the outer corner a little bit more. And I'm gonna kind of like try to like bring it in a little bit over top of that Morning Mist, just to make sure it's all blended together. And then I'm just gonna go back in with a little bit more of that Purity from the beginning, just to blend the crease and just to soften everything up. Take a little bit of translucent powder and clean up the edges, trying to make it like a cat eye. Okay, so now I'm gonna apply some eyeliner, and I'm just gonna be using the Mary Kay MK Black eyeliner just to tightline, and then I'm gonna apply some to my waterline. I'm actually going to take a little bit of that Free Love. I'm going to put some of that on my lower lash line, but I'm also going to stamp that to set the black eyeliner in my waterline. Just to make it a little more blue. And oh, that looks really pretty. Now I'm going to go back in with a little more of that Purity, the first color that we used to put in our crease. And I'm just going to smudge out the shadow and the liner that I put in my waterline. Okay, now I'm gonna take a little bit of that Starbeam that we put on the lid, and I'm also gonna spray some of my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer water on it. So now I'm gonna go apply some falsies, and I will be right back. I just went ahead and applied some falsies. They're just a pair, I think they're the Bronzed Beauty ones by Eylure. I cannot speak. The brown packaging one. So I just applied those, and then I applied some Mary Kay. This is the Ultimate Mascara to my top and bottom lashes. Now I am going to apply some highlight, and I'm very excited because I'm going to be using the Unicorn Glow palette by Face Candy. And I think I'm going to go in with the green one, because even though like this looks like it would be like a pretty champagne, it's like pink. It's like orange pink. So this one comes off kind of gold when I swatch it. This white one's pretty. I could do the white one. I think that might be a little too white for me, so I think I'm gonna mix the green and the white. Oh, that is pretty. Okay, so mixing the green and the white together is super cute. Now I'm gonna set my face. Then I'm gonna take my beauty blender, and I'm kind of just like gonna go over everything and kind of like press it into the skin. See if that helps at all. Okay, and then finally we can do the lips. So first I'm going to line my lips, and I'm going to be using the Mary Kay lip liner in light nude. Since the eyes are so intense, I'm gonna keep the lips like really, really simple. I can't find the lipstick I wanna wear. I wanna wear Bashful You by Mary Kay, but I can't find it. Okay, so for the lips, I think I'm gonna do, you've seen this plenty of times, the Maybelline Matte Lipstick in Hot Sand. The number is 530. And then over top, I want my lips kind of glossy, so I'm gonna use the Mary Kay Lip Gloss in Cafe A Lutte. You know what it is. All right, you guys, so that completes this look. I really hope that you enjoyed seeing me recreate this look that Kathleen Lights did. But I mean, this look turned out so freaking pretty. So I'm so extremely excited to play around with these a little bit more. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Mwah! Bye.